Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are giving this nice streak side part look. Baby hairs clean the plate completely. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to do a look like this for a while now, and I've really been feeling side part, so I was just like, I have to do a nice pretty side part like this. So if you want to know how I got this look, baby hairs, all the extras and the extras and the extras and all that, then keep watching.
Alright y'all, so 𝐲𝐻𝐴frican sent me this frontal wig, and it's a full frontal wig, by the way. It came pre-curled, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, but I did have to go in by myself and just bleach it a little bit extra because y'all know how much extra I could be. But look how bomb and easy this wig came. This is super beginner friendly for real.
Anyways, y'all, this is the final look. This is what she is giving. I went ahead and curled the ends a little bit. Let me stand up so y'all can see what it's giving. I just think that is so cute and just adds a little bit of, you know, to the look when you just want to give a little bit extra. I also combed out my baby hairs and they look so good. Anyways, yes, that is featuring Lilo. She's just all over the place. Anyways, let me know what y'all think about this look. I am about to go out and swing my hair back and forth, follow what Willow Smith said, because yes, she is giving. This is a side part, honey. This is a very nice, and this is a HD, like lace wear. I ate that, of course. So let me just give y'all a nice little 360 view. Okay, period. Anyways, like if you like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Wow. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me